Hello everyone. Today we would like to introduce how to create video lecture with Microsoft PowerPoint. First, open the PowerPoint and you can use the existing PowerPoint file or you can create a new one. Okay, and click the slideshow. Okay, click here, record slideshow, and we select record from beginning. Okay, let's minimize this screen. And we go record button in the upper left column. You can just click it, feed to one, and we can have lecture as usual is the topic. And we can have some course objective today, for example 1, 2, and 3. And this is our course content, and this is the end of lecture. And after recording, we can click stop and close this screen. Okay, and we open the PowerPoint again, and we can see this is edited, and we save. And we can see it is creating. It takes some time. Okay, and after creating, and we will find the file at the destination you have selected. Okay, we got the video lecture file, so we have to upload it on the platform to share to our students. And this is the Google Drive. We can just simply drag and drop or upload the file. And of course we have to wait a moment. Okay, and we have to edit the share option. We can simply use more, and we can make it public on the web so every student can view it. We got the video file in our Google Drive, and we want to upload it into our Moodle system. You can just simply open the video file, and over the right upper column, you can open in new window, and we can click here and find the embed item. And this is a code. You can just simply copy and paste. In our Moodle system, we can just turn the editing on again. And we can add an activity or resources. We use the page. Here is the page content. We click this button HTML and we paste our code. And we click this button again. And we can see the video is appeared. And we have to add a link for our video. Okay, everything good. Save and display. And we got video lecture in our Moodle system. Okay, thank you very much.